I asked my Instagram followers, what kind of YouTube videos do you want to see from me? And someone said, an actual makeup tutorial. Like, not a clown tutorial, like an actual makeup tutorial. So I don't know about the tutorial part of it. Like, I don't know if I'm able to do, like, oh, this is what I do, this is how I do it. Like, I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to do that. But I know that I can do my makeup. I don't know what to talk about. Like, that's always, like, the issue, is, like... So, I'm gonna start with my eyeshadow. So first, I'm going to take, Kat Von D's Lock It Concealer in white. Don't worry, I don't support Nazis and anti-vaxxers. That's why I stole the tester. I don't condone stealing, but I'm poor. Literally had to steal a toothbrush yesterday from the dollar store. I'm gonna try and do this. I should like put in like my contacts when I do this kind of stuff. Lids primed and ready. Alright, so I'm gonna do some blues today. Because my outfit's blue. And my bucket hat. God, thank you, Andy, for this bucket hat. I've been wanting a bucket hat forever. Also, I may or may not have spent $50 on one of those like airbrush hoodies that you can get at like carnivals and shit. And like I like ordered it online. Bro, why aren't you talking, bro? You're so whack, bro. Dude, like, no cat, you're so whack. Talk, you monkey. You foolish monkey. Ooh, I have a fluff in my nostril. Yeah, got it. Okay, like, bro, like, no cat. Like, what am I fucking gonna talk about? Like, no cat. Like, no cat. No cat. No cat. No cat. No cat. That's all that matters. Pleasing myself. Now, ooh. How I used to do my makeup when I did Ukrainian dancing when I was little. It was blue eyeshadow and red lipstick. We loved that. It was disgusting. These old Ukrainian ladies that didn't know how to do makeup would always do it for me. She'd also make me go bald, trying to French braid my hair. Just real tight, real tight. My hairline, it's fucked. I have a fucked hairline. I blame the French braids. Look at that Mona Lisa right now, look. So, after you got that, bro, like, no cat, I need to shut the fuck up with that. So you're gonna take it.
Radioactive, for real.
You know? You feel? Oops. Like an actual crackhead now. Like, I was joking at first, but like now I think like I told my therapist, like I called myself a crackhead, and he was like, "You don't crack?" And I was like, No. But I'm a crackhead. And he's like getting distracted, bro. Like, no cat, bro. Happy little trees right on my eyelids. You know who would like this eye look? Elsa from Frozen. Cause it's blue like snow. Gotta beat the hell out of it. I can't just be normal for like 2 seconds. I'm gonna take some shimmer. I'll take this one. My fingernails be like too big. Okay. Okay. Not last night, but the night before, I had a dream when my house burnt down. And then, like, I ended up back in inpatient due to, like, trauma stuff, I guess. And, when I woke up in my bed that morning, I was really confused. It's like, turn that frown upside down, bro. Like, no cat. Like, why are you sad, bro? They're definitely not even, but like, you see it? Mascara. I also shoplifted this. No cat, bro? Like, no cat. Ew. Ew. Sparkly and plumping. Wait, my hat. Done.